Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building a modern age calculator that shows your exact age in years, months, and days. So if you are learning front end, this project is perfect for your portfolio. Let me show you what we are building. Select date, click button, age appears, clean UI, smooth UX, and real logic behind it. Let's start with HTML, the structure of our app. First, we write basic HTML structure. And we have a main container that holds everything, then header, title, subtitle. Next, an input section where user selects date of birth. A button to trigger calculation. And finally, a result area where we show output. We are not pre-filling results. We show a placeholder first. This improves UX. Now let's make it look professional. We are using a blue-based color system. Now for the body, I am using the inner font for a modern UI feel. Then I center everything using Flexbox, both horizontally and vertically. Now we style the main container. This is like the card of our app. I am adding max width, padding, rounded corners to keep it compact. And here's the important part, layered shadows. Instead of one shadow, I am using multiple shadows to create depth. This gives it that professional sauce-style look. For the heading, I am increasing font weight and slightly adjusting letter spacing. And for the subtitle, I am using a lighter color to create hierarchy. This helps users instantly understand what's important. Now let's style the input field. I am adding padding, border radius, and a soft border. Also setting width to 100% so it fits perfectly inside the container. Now here's where it gets interesting. When the user clicks the input, I change the border color and add a glow effect using box shadow. This small interaction makes your app feel alive. Next, the button. I am using the primary blue color, removing borders, and adding padding. Also giving it a pointer cursor so it feels clickable. And on hover, I slightly change the background color. Simple, but very effective for user feedback. Now for the results section. I am adding some spacing and a top border to separate it from the input area. The age number is large and bold because it's the main focus. And the label is smaller, uppercase, and slightly faded. This creates a strong visual hierarchy. Finally, the placeholder text is styled with a lighter color and italic font, so users know it's just temporary content. Now comes the most important part, the brain of our app. This is where we actually calculate the real age. First, I created a function called calculate age. This function runs when the user clicks the button. Now we grab the value from the input field, which is the date of birth. And we also select the result area where we will display the output. Before doing anything, We check if the user actually selected a date. If not, we show an error message. This is very important in real-world apps. Never trust user input. Now we convert the input into a date object. And we also get today's date. So now we have two dates, birth date and current date. Next, we calculate the difference. Years, months, days. At first, it's just simple subtraction. Now here's the tricky part. If days become negative, it means the current month hasn't completed yet. So we reduce 1 month, and then add the number of days from the previous month. Now if months go negative, we reduce 1 year and add 12 months. This ensures our age calculation stays accurate. Finally, we display the result using inner HTML. We show years in big, bold text. And months and days below it. Let's test it. Now if I select a date, you get exact age, years, months, and days. And that's how you build a fully working age calculator using pure JavaScript. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, because I post real projects like this.